In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hopp Driver application. Let's get started. So first thing that you want to do is download the application of Hopp Driver and then register as a driver. So drivers download the Hopp Driver app and complete an online registration process. Hopp requires vehicles and license information and conducts a screen process. Now, once registering, you want to go online. So drivers can log in into the application whenever they want to work. They are in full control of their own schedule. Next, accept the ride requests. So the application automatically sends rides requests from passengers. Drivers can see the trip routes and fare before accepting. Next, you want to complete the ride. So the application provides turn-by-turn navigation and the pickup and drop-off location. Payment is handled by the application. And lastly, get paid. Earnings are paid out to the drivers on a weekly basis. Hop earns revenue by taking a service fee from each ride. And that's it. That's how you can use Hop Driver application.